Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well and safe. Today we are going to discuss some MCQs of biology. So let's start our video. So students, our first question is, where can viruses replicate? Option number A, animals, B, plants, option C, bacteria, option D, all. So students, we know that the viruses can replicate in all of them, animals, plants and bacteria. So the correct option is option D. Our next question is, these are the largest animal viruses. Option A, HIV, option B, pox viruses, option C, COVID-19 and option D, HPV. So students, pox viruses are the largest animal viruses of these. So the correct option is option B. Coming to the next question, viruses do not have option A, fossil record, option B, traces in history, option C, reproductive ability, option D, nucleic acid. So students, viruses do not have a fossil record. So the correct option is option A. So students, our next question is, in plants, tumors are induced due to option A, bacteria, option B, virus, option C, fungi, option D, all of these. So students, in plants, tumors can be induced by all of them, bacteria, virus and fungi. So the correct option is option D. So students, our next question is, cell theory does not explain option A, fungi, option B, virus, option C, algae, option D, protista. So students, cell theory does not explain the viruses. So the correct option is option B. Coming to the next question, which of the following has no nucleic acid? Option A, bacteria, option B, virus, option C, prions, option D, viroid. So students, prions has no nucleic acid. So the correct option is option C. Next question is, it is a biological weapon. Which of the following is used as a biological weapon? So option A is radiation, option B chemical, option C virus, option D all of these. So the correct option is option C, because virus is used as a biological weapon. Coming to next question, virus transmission is affected by option A biotic factors, option B chemical factors, option C physical factors and option D both A and C. So students, virus transmission is affected by both the biotic and physical factors. So the correct option is option D. Our next question is, viruses are dash entity between living and non-living. Our options are option A balanced, option B transitional, option C threshold, option D none. So students, viruses are basically transitional entity between living and non-living thing. Sometimes they are considered as living and at other times they are considered as non-living things. Our next question is, virus when attacks on unfamiliar organism, it is mutated many times and come as option A more virulent and dangerous, option B more mutated, option C more transmissible and option D all of these. So students, when a virus attacks on an unfamiliar organism, it is mutated many times and it comes as more dangerous, more mutated and more transmissible. So the correct option is option D all of these. Next question is, viruses are classified into many groups on the basis of option A nucleic acid, option B capsid symmetry, option C host cell infectivity and option D none of these. So students, viruses are basically classified into many groups on the basis of capsid symmetry. So the correct option is option B. So students, coming to our next question, viruses use which of the following enzyme for breakdown of bacterial cell wall? Option A lysozyme, option B lipase, option C protease, option D nuclease. So students, viruses use lysozyme for breakdown of bacterial cell wall. So the correct option is option A. Our next question is, viral proteins and genome in host cell are assembled at option A cytoplasm, option B cell wall, option C cell membrane, option D cell matrix. So the correct option is cytoplasm. Our next question is, virus can bud from option A RER, option B Golgi complex, option C nuclear envelope, option D all of these. So students, virus can bud from all of these. So the correct option is option D. Next question is, dash refers to removal or breakdown of capsid. Option A uncoating, option B assembly, option C integration, option D maturation. So students, uncoating refers to removal or breakdown of capsid. So correct option is option A. Coming to next question, which viruses enter the host cell as a whole? Option A plant virus, option B bacteriophages, option C animal virus, option D none. So the correct option is option C animal virus because it enters the host cell as a whole. Coming to next question, the branch that deals with the study of viruses is known as option A entomology, option B virology, option C epidemiology, option D bacteriology. So students, virology is basically the study of viruses. So correct option is option B. Coming to next question, Louis Pasteur made vaccines for option A rabies, option B anthrax, option C fowl cholera, option D all of above. So students, Louis Pasteur made vaccines for all of these: rabies, anthrax and fowl cholera. So correct option is option D. Our next question is, according to Ivanovsky, what are soluble living germs? Option A bacteria, option B viruses, option C fungi, option D both A and B. So students, viruses are basically the soluble living germs. So the correct option is option B. Coming to next question, when was the bacteriophage phenomena rediscovered by Dr. Harrell? Option A 1918, option B 1917, option C 1920, option D 1990. So students, in 1919, bacteriophage phenomena was rediscovered by D. Harrell. Our next question is, when were bacteriophages discovered by Twort? Option A 1915, option B 1920, option C 1910 and option D 1820. So the correct option is option A 1915. Our next question is, virus that was discovered in 1901. Option A yellow fever, option B tobacco mosaic, option C bacteriophages, option D corona. So students, the correct option is option A yellow fever. It was discovered in 1901. Coming to our next question, it is very stable and allows viruses to exist in water, air and the ground. Option A nucleoproteins, option B nucleocapsid, option C tail of virus, option D none of these. So students, basically nucleocapsid is very stable and it allows the viruses to exist in water, air and the ground. So the correct option is option B. Next question is, the complete, mature and infectious particle is known as option A capsid, option B virion, option C bacteriophage, option D nucleus. So students, virion is known as the mature and infectious particle. So correct option is option B. Coming to next question, virus is composed of option A nucleic acid and capsid, option B RNA only, option C genome, and option D capsid. So students, virus is composed of nucleic acid and capsid. So the correct option is option A. Our next question is, protein coat of a virus enclosing nucleic acid is called option A vector, option B capsid, option C plasmid, option D genome. So the protein coat of a virus enclosing nucleic acid is called capsid. So correct option is option B. Our next question is, what molecule would you not expect to find in a retrovirus? Option A adenine, option B thymine, option C uracil, option D guanine. So students, thymine is basically not found in a retrovirus. So correct option is option B. Our next question is, what is the size of a parvovirus? Option A 200 nanometer, option B 30, option C 20, option D 100 nanometer. So correct option is option C. Next question is, the viral DNA or RNA is protected by option A shell of lipids, option B shell of proteins, option C shell of carbohydrates, and option D shell of amino acids. So students, viral DNA or RNA is protected by the shell of proteins. So the correct option is option B. Next question is, what type of virus is the smallpox virus? Option A DNA enveloped virus, option B RNA enveloped virus, option C DNA virus, option D RNA enveloped virus. So students, correct option is option A DNA enveloped virus. Next question is, what is the viral nucleocapsid made up of? Option A genome and capsid, option B capsid and spikes, option C envelope and capsid, and option D capsomere. So the correct option is option A genome and capsid. Our next question is, what types of viruses is the poliovirus? Option A DNA enveloped virus, option B RNA enveloped virus, option C DNA naked virus, and option D RNA naked virus. So the correct option is option D. Poliovirus is RNA naked virus. Next question is, herpes simplex are caused by which virus? Option A adenovirus, option B pox virus, option C influenza virus, and option D herpes virus. So students, it is very obvious, herpes virus causes herpes simplex. So correct option is option D. Our next question is, what type of virus is the herpes simplex virus? Option A DNA enveloped virus, option B RNA enveloped virus, option C DNA virus, and option D RNA naked virus. So the correct option is DNA enveloped virus. Our next question is, the numbers of capsomeres found in adenovirus capsid is option A 162, option B 200, option C 252, and option D 155. So students, 252 capsomeres are found in adenovirus capsid. So the correct option is option C. Our next question is, the numbers of capsomeres found in herpes virus capsid is option A 162, option B 200, option C 234, and option D 155. So the correct option is option A 162. Our next question is, the genome of the virus includes option A deoxyribonucleic acid, option B ribonucleic acid, option C amino acid, and option D deoxyribonucleic acid or ribonucleic acid. So the correct option is option D. So students, our next question is, viruses without nuclear envelope are called as option A icosahedral virus, option B naked virus, option C enveloped virus, option D bilayer virus. So the correct option is option B naked virus. Our next question is, which of the following are the main functions of the capsid? Option A determines the antigenic specificity of the virus. Option B protects genetic material from nuclease attack. Option C both A and B, and option D none of the above. So students, both A and B is the correct answer. Option C is correct answer because both are the functions of the capsid. Coming to next question, which of the following statements explains why viruses are only able to multiply in living cells? Option A, their binary fission is controlled by host cell genes. Option B, viruses do not possess the necessary components for self-replication. Option C, DNA is only able to replicate inside living cells. And option D, they have only enough genetic information for DNA replication. So the correct answer is option B. Viruses do not possess the necessary components for self-replication. Coming to our next question, a chemical component that is not found in all viruses is option A protein, option B DNA, option C lipids, option D RNA. So students, lipids are not found in all viruses. So the correct option is option C. Our next question is, a common polyhedral capsid shape of viruses is option A pentagon, option B cube, option C icosahedron, and option D pyramid. So the correct option is option C. Coming to next question, identify the true statement about virus. Option A, viruses were discovered 2 billion years ago. Option B, viruses came from outer space. Option C, viruses evolved before bacteria. And option D, viruses can infect all types of cells. So the correct option is option D, viruses can basically infect all types of cells. Coming to next question, the average diameter of large viruses is approximately option A 100 to 160 nanometer, option B 100 to 200, option C 100 to 360, and option D always below than 100. So students, correct option is option B. The average diameter of large viruses is basically 100 to 200 nanometer. Coming to next question, what are the subunits of capsids? Option A capsomeres, option B flagella, option C hyphae, option D septa. So the correct option is option A capsomeres. Coming to next question, viral envelope is composed of option A proteins, option B glycoproteins, option C lipids and proteins, and option D all of the above. So students, viral envelope is basically composed of lipids and proteins both. So the correct option is option C. Coming to next question, it refers to the final changes within an immature virion that result in an infectious virus particle. Option A assembly, option B coating, option C integration, option D maturation. So students, assembly basically refers to final changes that results in infectious virus particle. So correct option is option A. Coming to next question. All of the following descriptions regarding viral multiplication and nucleic acids are true except that option A, viruses contain DNA or RNA, not both. Option B, viral mRNA, viral tRNA, and viral ribosomes are used in viral replication. Option C, viruses replicate only in living cells. And option D, viruses use the cell's biosynthetic machinery to synthesize copies of them. So we have to identify the false statement. So basically, option B is correct. Viral mRNA, viral tRNA, and viral ribosomes are used in viral application. This is not a correct sentence. Coming to next question, which of the following is not true of a virion? Option A, reproduce independently. Option B, contain DNA. Option C, contain RNA. And option D, extracellular. So the correct option is option A, reproduce independently. This is not true of a virion. Coming to next question, protein coat of a virus enclosing nucleic acid is called Option A, vector. Option B, capsid. Option C, plasmid. Option D, genome. So it is very simple. Capsid is basically protein coat of a virus enclosing nucleic acid. So correct option is option B. Coming to our next question, what is the approximate diameter of retroviruses? Option A, 150 nanometer. Option B, 100 nanometer. Option C, 200 nanometer. And option D, 250 nanometer. So the correct option is option B, 100 nanometer is the approximate diameter of retroviruses. Our next question is, when a virus enters a cell and incorporates its RNA or DNA into host DNA, what is this stage called? Option A, lysogeny. Option B, fermentation. Option C, symbiosis. And option D, synergism. So the correct option is option A, lysogeny. Our next question is, phage DNA incorporated into host DNA is referred as option A, T4 phage, option B, provirus, option C, prophage, and option D, bacteriophage. So the correct option is option C, prophage. Our next question is, infectious RNA without capsid. Option A, virion, option B, virioid, option C, prion, and option D, virus. So the infectious RNA without capsid is basically virioid. So correct option is option B. Coming to our next question, what does the size of a virus ranges between? Option A, 100 to 150 millimeter. Option B, 20 to 250 nanometer. Option C, 300 to 3000 nanometer. And option D, 3 nanometer to 30 nanometer. So the correct option is option B, 20 to 250 nanometers. Coming to next question, which of the following statement is not true of viruses? Option A, viruses have been successfully grown in pure cultures in test tubes. Option B, all viruses are obligate intracellular parasites. Option C, all viruses have either DNA or RNA as their genetic material. And option D, viruses probably arose from small fragments of cellular chromosomes. So, students, the option number A is correct because this statement is not true. Viruses are not successfully grown in pure cultures. Coming to next question, what is the shape of the TMV, tobacco mosaic virus? Option A, rod. Option B, helical. Option C, tadpole. Option D, spherical. So the correct option is option D. Sorry, the correct option is option A. The shape of a TMV is rod. Coming to our next question, in icosahedral, the capsomeres are arranged in dash triangles. Option A, 100, option B, 200, option C, 1000, and option D, none of these. So the correct option is option D, none of these. Basically, the capsomeres are arranged in triangles, but there is no specific number. So the correct option is option D. Question number, our next question is, in nucleus, the single-stranded DNA viral genome is converted to double-stranded DNA by option A, DNA polymerase, option B, RNA polymerase, option C, cell enzymes, and option D, proteins. So the correct option is option A, DNA polymerase converts the single-stranded DNA to double-stranded DNA. Our next question is, reverse transcriptase is a useful enzyme to have when option A, RNA virus converts its RNA to DNA. Option B, there are no host cells present. And option C, nutrients are scarce. And option D, spikes are forming in the new virus. So the correct option is option A, when RNA virus converts its RNA to DNA. Our next question is, what is a provirus? Option A, free virus. Option B, free DNA. Option C, primitive virus. and option D, integrated viral genome. So the correct option is option D. Provirus is an integrated viral genome. Coming to our next question, the function of a viral capsid is option A, protection against the viral genome from physical and enzymatic destruction. Option B, providing binding sites that enable the virus to attach to specific receptor sites on the host cell. Option C, serving as a vehicle of transmission from one host to another. And option D, all of the above. So basically, all of the three are functions of a viral capsid. So the correct option is option D. Our next question is, which of the following virus is enveloped? Option A, adenovirus. Option B, herpes virus. Option C, polio virus. And option D, none of these. So students, herpes virus is basically enveloped virus. So correct option is option B. Our next question is, which of the following is not a described type of virus? Option A, virus containing double strand DNA, virus containing single strand DNA, virus containing single strand RNA, and virus containing single strand RNA and single strand DNA. So the correct option is option D. Coming to next question, the size of viruses is usually measured in option A, centimeters, option B, micrometers, option C, nanometers, option D, millimeters. So students, the size of viruses is usually measured in nanometers. So the correct option is option C. Coming to our next question, icosahedral viruses have how many faces? Option A, 20, option B, 30, option C, 10, option D, 40. So students, icosahedral viruses have 20 faces. So the correct option is option A. Our next question is, viruses differ from bacteria by option A, having capsids, option B, having DNA, option C, having RNA, and option D, having ribosomes. So students, viruses differ from bacteria by having capsids. Bacteria do not have the capsids. So the correct option is option A. Coming to next question, it is not true about viruses. Option A, capsid has capsomeres. Option B, both DNA and RNA together as genome. Option C, some are enveloped. And option D, many infect animals. So students, option A, C and D are correct, and option B, both DNA and RNA together as genome, is a false statement. So our correct option would be option B. Coming to next question, positive agent of smallpox is option A, DNA enveloped virus, option B, RNA enveloped virus, option C, DNA virus, and option D, RNA naked virus. So the smallpox virus is basically a DNA enveloped virus. So our correct option is option A. Our next question is, which of the following statements are true about the viruses? Option A, free living, option B, obligate parasites, option C, both A and B, and option D, none of the above. So the correct option is option B, obligate parasites. Our next question is, which factors may help to determine the antigenicity of a virus? Option A, capsomeres, option B, size of virus, option C, whole capsid, and option D, internal proteins. So basically, capsomeres help to determine the antigenicity of a virus. So the correct option is option A. Coming to our next question, which of the following has morphology of a helical virus? Option A, TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. Option B, T4 phage. Option C, pox virus. Option D, herpes virus. So basically, TMV has a morphology of a helical virus. So the correct option is option A. Our next question is, HBV hepatitis B virus is option A DNA enveloped virus, option B RNA enveloped virus, option C DNA virus, option D RNA naked virus. So basically HPV hepatitis B virus is a DNA enveloped virus. So the correct option is option A. Next question is a structure which is located between the nucleocapsid and the envelope. Option A capsid, option B matrix protein, option C envelope, option D nucleocapsid. So basically matrix protein is the structure which is located between the nucleocapsid and the envelope. So the correct option is option B. Coming to next question. Viroid lacks option A RNA, option B enzyme, option C protective protein coat, and option D all of these. Basically protective protein coat is not present in a viroid. So the correct option is option C. Next question is what type of viruses are the paramyxoviruses? Option A DNA enveloped virus, option B RNA enveloped virus, option C DNA virus, option D naked virus. So basically paramyxoviruses are basically RNA enveloped virus. So the correct option is option B. Next question is which of the following viruses possess an envelope? Option A herpes virus, option B reovirus, option C poliovirus, option D papillomavirus. So the correct option is option A herpes virus. Next question is what does an icosahedral capsid consists of? Option A hexagonal capsomeres, option B pentagonal capsomeres, option C triangular capsomeres, and option D both A and B. So the correct option is option A hexagonal capsomeres. Our next question is viruses are limited in their host range because option A can only replicate in certain types of cells, option B certain cells are susceptible to viral infections, option C they can only enter cells that have proper specific receptors, and option D they can only enter cells with glycoproteins. So the correct option is option C because they can only enter the cells that have proper specific receptors for the viruses. So the correct option is option C. Our next question is it is incorrect about virus. Option A acellular nature, option B DNA, option C RNA, option D metabolism. Basically metabolism is incorrect about virus. So the correct option is option D. Our next question is the long chains of HIV proteins is cut down by proteases of option A HIV human immunodeficiency virus, option B host proteases, option C both viral and host proteases, and option D none of these. So basically the correct option is HIV. Our next question is whenever a virus encounters an unfamiliar organism, the virus may undergo multiple mutations and emerge as a variant that produces option A severe and novel disease, option B novel disease, option C non mutated, and option D none of these. So the correct option is option B novel disease. Whenever a virus encounters an unfamiliar organism, it always produces a novel disease. Option question number next. Our next question is in which year causative agent of AIDS was named? Option A 1986, option B 1980, option C 1992, option D 1970. So students, AIDS was named in 1986. So the correct option is option A. The next question is the herpes virus is responsible for which of the following types of herpes? Option A simplex, option B quadruplex, option C triplex, option D duplex. Basically, herpes causes herpes simplex. The correct option is option A. Next question is Edward Jenner prepared vaccine against option A smallpox, option B mumps, option C measles, option D chickenpox. So basically, Edward Jenner prepared a vaccine against the smallpox. So the correct option is option A. Next question is major cell infected by HIV. Option A T killer lymphocytes, option B T helper lymphocytes, option T T suppressor lymphocytes, and option D T memory lymphocytes. So basically, HIV infects the T helper lymphocytes. So the correct option is option B. Our next question is which of the following molecule facilitates the entry of HIV in human body? Option A liposomes, option B glycoprotein, option C polysaccharides, option D lipopolysaccharides. So the correct option is option B. Glycoprotein facilitates the entry of HIV in human body. Next question is prominent symptoms of AIDS. Option A pneumonia, option B rapid weight loss, option C extreme and unexplained tiredness, and option D all of these. So students, all of these are symptoms are basically AIDS. So the correct option is option D. Coming to our next question, for the synthesis of mRNA, HIV uses option A viral RNA polymerase, option B cytoplasmic RNA polymerase, option C host RNA polymerase, and option D none of the above. So students, correct option is option C. Host RNA polymerase is used by HIV for synthesis of messenger RNA. Coming to our next question, a person with viral load of HIV-1 if untreated leads to option A cancer, option B hepatitis, option C jaundice, option D AIDS. So students, HIV always causes AIDS. So the correct option is option D. Coming to next question, which of the following is more virulent? Which of the following is more dangerous? So the options are option A HIV-2, option B HIV-1A, option C HIV-1, option D HIV-2A. So the correct option is option C. HIV-1 is basically more virulent or more dangerous. Coming to next question. There is no vaccine against HIV. What is the possible reason for this? Option A. Virus mutates rapidly. Option B. Vaccine is very expensive. Option C. Vaccine can be controlled by change in hygiene. And option D. None of these. The correct option is option A. Virus mutates very rapidly. That is why there is no vaccine against HIV. Coming to next question. HIV mainly attacks on option A CD4 site of T cells, option B B cells, option C white blood cells, option D none of these. So basically HIV mainly attacks on the CD4 site of T cells. So the correct option is option A. Our next question is chimpanzee has dash instead of HIV. Option A SIV, option B CIV, option C HPV, option D HIV-2. So the correct option is option A SIV. It means simian immunodeficiency virus. Coming to next question. AIDS is caused by option A human immunodeficiency virus, option B paramyxoviruses, option C influenza virus, option D retroviruses. Basically, AIDS is always caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. So the correct option is option A. Coming to our next question, what is meant by HIV positive? Option A person has AIDS. Option B, a person having two positive tests for HIV. Option C, a person can transmit the HIV. And option D, a person is safe from AIDS. So the correct option is option A. When a person has AIDS, we say he is HIV positive. So the correct option is option A. Coming to next question, the replication of the HIV nucleic acid depends on option A, replicase, option B, reverse transcriptase, option C, transcriptase, option D, reverse replicase. Basically, reverse transcriptase is the correct answer. The replication of HIV nucleic acid depends on reverse transcriptase. So the correct option is option B. Coming to our next question, viral genome in integrated into host genome by which of the following enzymes? Option A, integrase, option B, DNA incorporase, option C, reverse transcriptase, option D, protease. Basically, the correct option is option A, integrase. Coming to next question, mumps and measles are caused by which of the following? Option A, adenoviruses, option B, pox viruses, option C, influenza virus, option D, paramyxovirus. So students, mumps and measles are both caused by paramyxoviruses. So the correct option is option D. Coming to next question, HAV, hepatitis A virus, is transmitted by option A, feces, option B, sexual contact, option C, blood, option D, all of these. So students, hepatitis A virus is basically transmitted by feces. So the correct option is option A. Coming to our next question, dash is usual causative agent of genital herpes. Option A, HSV1, option B, HSV2, option C, both A and B, and option D, none of these. So students, genital herpes is caused by HSV1, human simplex virus 1. Coming to next question, when did experimental administration of the HIV virus begin? Option A, 2001, option B, 1999, option C, 2005, and option D, 2000. So basically in 2001 experimental administration of HIV virus began. The correct option is option A. Next question is, pigs are reservoir of option A, HAV, hepatitis A virus, option B, HBV, hepatitis B virus, option C, HCV, hepatitis C virus, and option D, HEV, hepatitis E virus. So basically, pigs are the reservoir of hepatitis E virus. The correct option is option D. Our next question is, which of the following statement correctly describes the tobacco mosaic virus? Option A, RNA virus, option B, DNA virus, option C, bacteriophage, option D, double strand DNA virus. So the correct option is option A, RNA virus. Tobacco mosaic virus is basically RNA virus. Next question is, pox virus is different from all others due to option A, structure, option B, size, option C, nucleic acid, option D, all of above. So students, pox virus is different from all others due to their size. The correct option is option B. Coming to next question, a remarkable feature of pox virus is option A, largest in size, option B, DNA genome, option C, envelope, option D, none of these. So the correct option is option A. Pox viruses are basically the largest in size of all the viruses. Coming to the next question, it is true about mumps. Option A, can affect testes and ovaries. Option B, passive immunization is only treatment. Option C, vaccine is not available for this. And option D, widely spread. So the correct option is option D. Mumps is basically widely spread. The next question is, genetically engineered vaccine is available for which of the following hepatitis virus? Option A, HBV, option B. HAV. Option C. HCV. Option D. Both A and B. So the correct option is option D. Basically, vaccine is available for both hepatitis B virus and hepatitis A virus. Coming to next question, pox virus has option A double stranded DNA, option B single strand DNA, option C double strand RNA, and option D both A and C. The correct option is option A. Pox virus is basically double stranded DNA. Coming to next question, for attachment, rabies virus bind to option A complement receptor, option B integrin ICAM1, option C acetylcholine receptor, and option D epidermal growth factor. So basically rabies virus bind to the acetylcholine receptor. So the correct option is option C. Next question is, where does the AIDS virus infect? Option A RBCs, option B platelets, option C leukocytes, and option D none. As we all know, AIDS virus always infect the white blood cells or the leukocytes. The correct option is option C. Our next question is, which specialized enzyme do retrovirus have? Option A DNA polymerase, option B ligase, option C reverse transcriptase, and option D helicase. So the correct option is option C. Reverse transcriptase is basically the specialized enzyme which the retroviruses have. Coming to next question, hepatitis D, also known as option A serum hepatitis, option B infectious hepatitis, option C bacterial hepatitis, option C delta hepatitis. So hepatitis D is also known as delta hepatitis. The correct option is option D. Coming to next question, how the HIV is transmitted? Options are option A sexual contact, option B blood, option C breastfeeding, and option D all of the above. So basically HIV is transmitted by all of the above. So the correct option is option D. Coming to next question, which of the following is not a viral disease? Option A smallpox, option B AIDS, option C tetanus, option D cowpox. So the correct option is option C tetanus. Tetanus is basically a bacterial disease. Rest all of them are viral diseases. Our next question is, HIV differs from many viruses because it has high genetic, option A sensitivity, option B complexity, option C variability, option D viability. So the correct option is option C variability. Our next question is, influenza virus protein HA binds with dash residues found on the surface of respiratory epithelial cells. Option A uncoding protein, option B sialic acid, option C antigen P, and option D antigen HI. So students, the correct option is option B sialic acid. Influenza virus protein HA binds with sialic acid on the surface of respiratory epithelial cells. Coming to next question, all are HIV symptoms except option A sore throat, chills, fever, body aches, option B chills, fever, flu, muscle cramps, option C cardiac arrest, bloody stools, chills, and option D rash, fatigue, mouth ulcers. So basically students, cardiac arrest, bloody stools and chills, they do not occur in HIV. Rest all are the symptoms of HIV. So the correct option is option C. Our next question is, SIV is the abbreviation of option A simian immunodeficiency virus, option B Silurian immunodeficiency virus, option C Siberian immunodeficiency virus, and option D both A and C. So the correct option is option A simian immunodeficiency virus. This occurs in chimpanzees. So the correct option is option A. Next question is, the enzyme which plays important role in HIV pathogenesis. Option A, RNA polymerase 1. Option B, DNA polymerase 2. Option C, reverse transcriptase 1. And option D, reverse transcriptase. So the correct option is option D, reverse transcriptase. Our next question is, all of the following are the current preventive methods of HIV infection except option A, safe and protected lifestyle. Option B, use of sterile injections and needles. Option C, use of available vaccines. And option D, safe blood transfusion methods. So the correct option is option C. Basically, available vaccines, they are not the current preventive methods of HIV infection. Coming to next question, influenza is caused by option A, adenovirus, option B, pox virus, option C, influenza virus, and option D, herpes virus. So it is very obvious, influenza is basically caused by influenza virus. So the correct option is option C. Coming to next question, this locks the HIV genome into capsid. Option A, GAG protein, option B, ENV protein, option C, pol protein, option D, all of these. So the correct option is option A. Option A, GAG protein locks the HIV genome into capsid. Coming to next question, the genetically engineered vaccine is not available for which of the following? Option A, HAV, hepatitis A virus. Option B, HCV, hepatitis C virus. Option C, HBV, hepatitis B virus. And option D, HTV, hepatitis delta virus. So basically, vaccine is not available for hepatitis C. So the correct option is option B, HCV. Coming to next question. In what year did WHO declare that smallpox was completely eradicated? Option A, 1990. Option B, 2001. Option C, 1980. Option D, 1995. So in 1980, WHO declared that smallpox was completely eradicated from the whole world. So the correct option is option C. Our next question is, AIDS was firstly reported in which types of individuals? Option A, heterosexuals. Option B, homosexuals. Option C, both. And option D, none. So basically, AIDS was first reported in homosexuals. So the correct option is option B. Coming to next question, mad cow disease is caused by which of the following? Option A, prion. Option B, virus. Option C, bacteria. Option D, both A and B. So basically, mad cow disease is caused by prions. So the correct option is option A. Coming to next question, DASH is associated with a number of tumors in humans. Option A, HSV2, human simplex virus 2. Option B, varicella zoster virus. Option C, oncoviruses. And option D, picomavirus. So the correct option is option C. Oncoviruses is basically associated with a number of tumors in humans. Coming to our next question, which virus causes the second major form of hepatitis? Option A, hepatitis A. Option B, hepatitis B. Option C, hepatitis C. And option D, hepatitis D. So the correct option is option B. Hepatitis B basically causes the second major form of hepatitis of all the viruses. Coming to next question, which can convert normal cells into cancer cells? Option A, retrovirus. Option B, adenovirus. Option C, poliovirus. Option D, all. So basically, retroviruses can convert normal cells into cancer cells. The correct option is option A. Coming to next question, people with chronic hepatitis are at risk of option A, kidney damage. Option B, liver damage. Option C, heart disease. Option D, lung damage. So the correct option is option B, liver damage. Hepatitis basically refers to damage of liver. So the correct option is option B. Coming to next question, virus for making viral DNA uses whose RNA polymerase? Option A host, option B viral, option C encoded by viral genome, and option D none. So basically, viruses use the host RNA polymerase for making viral DNA. The correct option is option A. Our next question is retroviruses are characterized by option A they lack envelope, option B have no capsid, option C reverse transcriptase enzyme, and option D DNA genome. The retroviruses are characterized by reverse transcriptase enzyme. The correct option is option C. Our next question is bacteriophages or phages are also known as option A bacteria facilitator, option B bacteria eater, option C animal viruses, option D plant viruses. So the correct option is option B bacteria eater. Phages mean eaters. So bacteriophages mean bacteria eater. Next question is the bacteriophage incorporates in the viral genome in which phase? Option A lysogenic cycle, option B both, option C lytic cycle, option D none. The correct option is option A lysogenic cycle. Our next question is how many bacteriophages are formed after 25 minutes of initial infection? Option A 250, option B 200, option C 150, option D 100. The correct option is option B. 200 bacteriophages are formed after 25 minutes of initial infection. Next question is what is the first step in the replication of bacteriophage? Option A replication, option B penetration, option C attachment, option D injection. The correct option is option C. Attachment is always the first step in the replication of bacteriophage. Our next question is viruses that attack bacteria are called option A variophage, option B lysophage, option C bacteriophage, option D none of the above. The basically correct option is option C bacteriophage. Viruses that attack or eat the bacteria are called as bacteriophage. Our next question is where the double stranded DNA of the bacteriophage is found. Option A tail, option B sheet, option C collar, option D head. So the double stranded DNA of bacteriophage is found in head. The correct option is option D. Our next question is the phage that causes the lytic cycle is called option A virulent phage, option B lytic phage, option C temperate phage, and option D both A and B. So the correct option is option D both A and B virulent phage and lytic phage. Next question is during lytic cycle how many phages are released from infected host cell? Option A 100 to 30, option B 100 to 500, option C 100 to 200, option D 100 to 400. The correct option is option C 100 to 200 phages are released from infected host cell during the lytic cycle. Coming to next question, bacteriophages have been used widely in genetic research since they are the smallest and simplest biological entities capable of option A self replication in host cell, option B duplication, option C self duplication, option D multiplication in host cell. So the correct option is option D. Coming to our next question, binary fission occurs in which stage of the bacteriophage life cycle? Option A lysogenic cycle, option B lytic cycle, option C both A and B, and option D none. So the correct option is option A lysogenic cycle. The next question is the structure of which bacteriophage resembles a tadpole? Option A T2, option B T4, option C both A and B, and option D none. So the correct option is option B T4. Option uh, Next question is, these viruses usually occur in two structural forms. Option A HIV, option B HCV, option C bacteriophage, and option D COVID-19. So the correct option is option C. Bacteriophage usually occurs in two structural forms. Coming to next question, in which step is lysozyme released by the bacteriophage? Option A attachment, option B penetration, option C injection, option D replication. The correct option is option B penetration. In penetration, lysozyme released is by the bacteriophage. Our next question is, what type of the phage is a T2 phage? Option A single strand DNA phage, option B double strand DNA phage, option C single strand RNA phage, and option D double strand RNA phage. The correct option is option B double strand DNA phage. Our next question is, which type of viruses infect E. coli bacteria? Option A T phages, option B P phages, option C both A and B, and option D none. So the correct option is option A. T phages infect the E. coli bacteria. Our next question is, what is the function of lysozyme released by bacteriophages? Option A injecting DNA, option B replication, option C dissolve bacterial cell wall, and option D all of these. The correct option is option C. To dissolve bacterial cell wall is the function of lysozyme released by bacteriophages. Our next question is, where does the bacteriophage replicate? Option A human, option B horse, option C bacteria, option D animal. So the correct option is option C bacteria. Bacteriophage replicates in bacteria. Our next question is, the phage that causes the lysogenic cycle is option A virulent phage, option B lytic phage, option C temperate phage, option D both A and B. The correct option is option C temperate phage causes the lysogenic cycle. Our next question is, when the tobacco mosaic virus was successfully crystallized? Option A 1935, option B 1930, option C 1932, and option D 1920. So tobacco mosaic virus was crystallized in 1935. So correct option is option A. Next question is, they show complexity. Option A influenza virus, option B herpes virus, option C T4 virus, and option D all of these. So T4 virus basically shows complexity. So the correct option is option C. The next question is, viral DNA incorporated into bacterial DNA is called option A T4 phage, option B bacteriophage, option C prophage, and option D lytic phage. So the correct option is option C prophage. Viral DNA, when it is incorporated into bacterial DNA, this is then called prophage. Next question is, what was the correct classification according to Linnaeus? Option A similar genera in one family, option B similar species in one genus, option C similar families in one order, and option D all of above. The correct option is option D. Next question is, pathogens inside body are killed by option A antibodies, option B immune system cells, option C interferon, and option D all of these. So pathogens are inside the human body are killed by all of these. So the correct option is option D. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. Hope to see you in the next video.